Hello, good morning, my friend. How are you? I will show you what you can do from this two coffee. I'll brew one Ethiopia hot and one Colombia Descanso ice so that you can see how it's being poured. We will do 20 grams over this side. So as you can see, my friend, we have 20 grams. We're gonna use 20 grams. So my friend, once we have the 20 grams of each coffee, what makes the difference? We are not going to grind the coffee on the same grind size. So with the ice, we are going to make it 406 microns. When you have 406 microns, and then for hot, we're gonna do 450 microns. One for ice, we want to build more body in this coffee and make it more, you feel the coffee when you're drinking because of the ice. And for hot, we're gonna go a little bit closer so that we can extract more sweetness from it and not make the body of the coffee as intense as maybe as possible. So we need to make it more sweet and balanced. With us, you can see we have the grind size of the ice, and for hot coffee, you can see how it's not sticking in my hand, like it's salty or like sandy, like grind. Something medium to coarse. Don't make it fine because you're gonna have over extraction and you will have muddy that can make your coffee taste salty. What you can do, first session, we rinse the filter. Why? Because we don't want that peppery smell of this filter pepper in the coffee. That's why we are rinsing it with hot water. So the next thing we're gonna do is to add the ice cubes. Before we put, we need to add 150 ice cubes. For ice and for hot, we don't add anything. So we just make our bed flat, and we're gonna start immediately. We said we're gonna pour 30 ml and wait for 30 seconds as we proceed. So sometimes plus minus 10, 5, no problem, as long as you are following this recipe. And remember, our water temperature is 90 always. So the time is there. So you're gonna, for hot, we will put it up to 105, 10, no problem. This is started already. Up to 70, then up to 110, up to when it's 105, we will start. And I want you to see the time that you will finish. So this is remaining one more pour, and this is going also. So this one we're gonna make it. As you can see, I'm not touching the filter bar. 150, done. Now this one up to 300. You see, I'm not touching the filter. I'm putting only on coffee, and I'm going rotational. I put from clockwise and clockwise on the center pole. How you pour can be different, but we need to achieve the end result should be the same. This is what I call agitation. Agitation is when you create a flatbed and make sure that the coffee is flowing all sides, but you do it gently and slowly. As I told you, my water is finished exactly at 2:10. So immediately I need to remove. Remember, as I told you, our extraction should be from 2 minutes to 2:30. So if you can achieve from 2 minutes to 2:30, you are on the good side. This one you are aiming 3 minutes, not less, not more than 3 minutes. And then you can serve your cup. From our recipe, you can see we have ice, 300 ml that we have done. We will put it in a 9 ounce and a 12 ounce cup, around 11 ounce cup, no problem. See, it can suit you. You see, you don't need to make the cup too full because maybe some people are moving around. And then you have also your hot drink. So you have the hot drink, same level. If you realize, use same risk. This is hot and ice, but coffee it's same level. That's a standard that you can create also to make sure that you are serving consistency and the same coffee all the time. I hope this one it will help you and maybe improve and make your coffee better. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's enjoy. Cheers.